Okay, let's turn AI and automation into a real growth asset. Here's your strategic blueprint. First, the big idea. This isn't just about saving time, it's about building a quiet growth engine. The goal? Turn data into dollars and free up your team for the work that really matters.
So, I'm curious. Does any of this sound familiar to you and your team?
Are your people stuck doing the same repetitive manual tasks day in and day out?
Or maybe your data is just all over the place, with no single source of truth, right?
And what about customer support? Are they totally buried under the same questions over and over?
The fix is AI-powered automation. It's a system that doesn't just act, it thinks and decides. You can see this in action everywhere, from sales and e-commerce to support and in basic operations. So, how do you begin? Well, the first big decision you have to make is build or buy. Building gives you a unique edge, but using off-the-shelf tools, well, they're just fast and efficient. But here's the thing, you don't have to choose. The smartest path is actually a hybrid approach. Think of it like this. Use existing tools for 80% of the work, then custom build that critical 20%. And here's your 4-step plan to get it done. Discover, design, build, and then operate and improve. Okay, but what about results? What can you actually expect? The numbers really speak for themselves. For one clothing store, a 15% jump in conversions just by automating their abandoned cart recovery. Another company improved its lead quality by 20% just by automatically scoring and routing their best leads.
How about getting paid 10 days faster? It happened by automating invoice matching. Pretty incredible, right?
And a medical center cut no-shows by 20%, all thanks to a simple, smart booking bot. But look, launch day is not the finish line. Success is absolutely an ongoing commitment. You've got to constantly monitor, always be improving, and yep, you always need a backup plan. Because when it's done right, this stops being just a tool. It becomes a true competitive advantage. So I'll leave you with this. What's the one process in your business you're going to transform first?